Kajingjot ke Surok Mawhati, kaba daki posnem, bat kaba naduk ki Emily Barim, ki baklem la ban pendep kat kum kajing angnut ki pat ba, kala pelong ya ki pat ba ban babi ya kajing jit jong ki rang ba ki ban long ki rang kin i rang pawar kmat ke dorbar sorbar jong ke ying dorbar tau an ke jela. Penban hapdeng ke jing do jingkelmen, menta ke sengipat ke kat nyau terik nailar, ke sorkar jela hapok ke jingelam ukon rat ki sangma kum menteri rang ba, kalau lek buat Mawnongrim, bantai penbano ya ke Surok ban siang rong temai, bat penhek ru ya ka. Kaba ke jing jalan ke long kemba saupo kilometer nado umsning hadu sonidan, kaba utei menteri rang ba ulasyim ya ke bentakum ukongsan ban Plie utei Mawnongrim Mawhati. Katai ke Surok lamang na ke Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project bat ka World Bank ke ban bay tingka hadu benda pendap ya ka bat ban sedang nok syen ha ke bala IT syakadhar company ban day thema ya ka. La sakilang ha ke jing Plie Mawnongrim da ke jing don lang uba da sakhet bha lamari MLA ke Mawhati constituency uba ngat lang dhar uba wailat miki shilla MLA ke Jawai constituency uba Sosthenes Sotton MLA Jirang constituency ba Victor Rani MDC ke Jirang ba Jason S Maulong MLA Umsning constituency kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC Umsning Warpit Upadhyay DC ke Ribhoy Ugiri Pasad SP ke Ribhoy Police ki opisar na katanat PWD lembat kiwi ki opisar jeng kitanat beper ki nong yalam Shnong bat ki pat ba nong Shnong kathan Mawhati. Ladep ru ban penbet penbiang na kebenta ban Shna penbhai ke Surok keba nado sonidan hado ke umsiang bat ia ke Surok nado liarbang hado maulasnai bat kebalik terter hado sabuda bat kumju ke Surok keba nado maulasnai hado wa umken ladep penbang bat shen en sakot no ia ke tenda ban sedang pentrei no ia kitei ke Surok.
Lot of trade that they do with Jagirod and the rest of Assam. And hence, this has been a very, very important and critical road. Without going much into details, as I would not be in the right position to divulge all the information, but in the coming years, and please mark my words, that in the coming years, Jagirod is going to be a very, very important location. I'm talking of 5 years to 10 years time. And when that happens, and you will remember when I say this today, or why that place will be important, that this road will be even more critical for the connectivity between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. And hence, realizing all these facts, we have done our best to help and to support the people of this area so that this project is initiated after a very, very long time. I know that there is much more to be done, but at least we have made a start. And I assure you, and this is a commitment to you, that we will complete the entire stretch of this road very soon. But while we say that, I would like to thank our Honorable MLA, who is my colleague in the cabinet, for having taken the initiative and spearheaded this entire effort to make this road a success, to make this project come true. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty. It is because of His blessings that we are here today. And it is His blessing that we have been able to bring this development and this very important road connectivity for the people of Mawhati and Umsning constituency. I was made aware about the fact that this road has been neglected for many, many years. And I knew this for a very long time. But what I did not know was that the last time this was repaired was during late P.S. Samma's time. So being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader.
Dan ikindet ke Surok kabar ki saupo sampo Shna mundan bala bale bak kijing keren kijing khana ko bala persngo mane lagi keren sikmat ki boper kijing tho kijing neu kijing bomla ko janga ki boper let no ike ki bala apa ko mau ti konstruksi ngaso ini gede kesni ke ban jubab lut yang itu barok bak ngakren ini kijing sobrit bak kijing sobrom But hoi lamdei bapi gantho lamdei bapi keraukti lamdei bapin perkenal yang ala musngi dengan terangala menjaitur. Regulasi pun yang way po way untuk nongkran way po way. Ketu kalau perkenal ala musngi yang dah setiap bahala mereka Shna Surok Mawhati kapoi Rong no benda. Ubleru uya snow ya pi bar berkuy yang akan punya uya Surok. Kenapa perkat harus sispa kat sauklun. Tegede ke jikir kuba, tahandai ngakran ni gede dengan surit, ne banga soplau, ne banga dan dengan soplai terat ngasungu kapan pau ni gede sungado kata ba, menculong nakpos sukupot ino. Ngasukwa banyak tu ipi hani kendet, no, ngamsulak setsu, namar ba rangkat ke Surok Mawhati kadang satu lagi Surok kemakram perkat berpenginyo. Bat imat bala jor plat kecil terku nanti perbenyam. Yo lang sagata ko Surok ko bakrap berkat data dari Surok molos nai. Diktik ang arti yung tayo sanction ko ba katpraklur sampulak bansnai Surok molos nai. But how do you berwan ngakmilti nata idea hinyo ben sa arpo klur bansna yo Surok namolos nai seru jikin kempat. Ngapan pau ke sungo yang honorable chief minister jongi, uba simtia yang di proposal ki jongi, amar klaim dadan ka bor ke jongi, klaim dadan ke jingarap ke jongi, kanu morlong dan elem. Na isa isun yang ke play rakat honorable deputy CM jongi, rakat district stam ke jonga so pi borok, niyo iki di Surok niyo iki di